Why does your scanner show the P0945 engine code? What does it mean? P0945 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pump relay circuit, or open. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an issue with the hydraulic pump's relay, likely due to a faulty relay, a damaged or loose wire in the relay's harness, or a poor electrical connection. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Malfunctioning hydraulic pump relay, open or shorted relay harness, inferior electrical connection, faulty hydraulic pump, faulty oil pressure sender. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Peugeot vehicles, particularly models like the Peugeot 508 and Peugeot 5008. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.